Hello guys, welcome to my new home improvement video. In this video, I'm going to show you once again why the plumbers or the contractors, whatever professional handyman you hire, in many cases, they are no smarter than you. Okay, so let me show you my problem. My problem is I got a new vanity top and the sink, right? So naturally we need to somehow connect the drain here with the sewer pipe, okay? Alright, so the standard drain of bathroom drain in the United States has a diameter which is 1.5 inch. However, there's another sewer pipe diameter in the United States, mostly used in the kitchen, which is like this one here, which is 1.5 inch. I have one here. Look at the numbers here, 1.5 inch. Okay, this is 1.5 inch pipe, and this structure is called a P pipe because it looks like the letter P. Okay, so the P pipe. So the issue here is this drain here is 1.25 inch, which is thinner than the diameter of the pipe here, of the sewer pipe here, which is 1.5 inch. So there is a gap between them, which is a 1/4 inch gap. So how do we hook them up together? So my contractor, which I hired with tons of money, told me that I need to get a drain, a bathroom sink drain of 1.5 inch. Okay, so that therefore it has exactly same diameter as the sewer pipe, which is not the case because in the United States, very rarely can you get a bathroom sink drain of 1.25 inch. Because that's a diameter for the kitchen, not for the bathroom. And this kind of drain is usually only used in the bathroom, not in the kitchen, because in kitchen, who needs this? However, so therefore, basically, my plumber gave me a Mission Impossible. However, after I walked around for 15 minutes in some hardware store, I found my solution. There is actually a thing to help you couple pipes of two different diameters, and in this case, particularly 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches together. This kind of thing is called a reducer washer. Now you can read the label here clearly. It says this box contains two 1.5 inches by 1.25 inch reducer washers. See the first bullet point? That's it for kitchen or bathroom. All right. So let's see how it works. So you usually involve three kinds of washers when you try to hook up the drain pipes in your kitchen or your bathroom. One is for the bathroom one, which is of the diameter 1.25 inch. So, which is this small one, the smallest one. And then this is bigger. The biggest one is for the kitchen, just like this P pipe, which is for the kitchen. Okay. So this one can go onto the 1/4 inch pipe easily because I'm holding one. Okay, let's see. See, it goes on very easily. This is 1.5 inch diameter of both the washer and the pipe. And then the regular bathroom pipe, like either, I got too many rings here. Whether this one, which is a bathroom P-trap, you can see the green icon over there, 1.25 inch. It goes into the 1.25 inch washer. And then what is reducer washer? Reducer washer is the one that couples the best. I mean the both words. So let me show you. So this is a reducer washer. The reducer washer has an inner diameter of 1.25 inches and an outer diameter of 1.5 inches. So now you know how it works, right? So the inner one will fit. Hold on, I think I probably missed. This one may not be my reducer ring. Yeah, it is my reducer ring. Okay. So you can see the inside of the reducer washer will fit the 1.25 inch. Again, 1.25 inch bathroom pipe very well, while the outer diameter of the washer will fit the diameter. Let me hold it with my feet. Of the kitchen one very well. So now you can see when you try to tighten the nuts, it will fit both words perfectly. That's how it works. All right, so I don't know. My contractor is really funny. He thinks he knows how to do this work, but apparently he doesn't know. So once again, So if you happen to fall into a situation like me, where your sewer pipe is of one diameter between 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches, while the sink drain is of another diameter, what you can do is just get this thing called, oops, the focus is funny. Hold on, why doesn't the focus? Okay, what you need to get is this thing called a reducer washer set. As you can see from the top right corner of this box, it says it couples 1.25 inches and 1.5 inches. That's all you need. And you can hook it up and it'll work. So let me hook them up and I'll come back. You will notice some change because this push button drain is too fancy for me. I will use a simpler one. So I'm going to install this one and I'll come back in a minute, okay? All right, let me show you the hookup. So I have a different sink right now. You can see it's a different sink. Sorry, I mean different drain, but it's a drain. Okay, so this is where my middle finger is pointing at. This is a reducer ring. As I said, reducer ring has an inner diameter of 1.25 inches and the outer diameter is 1.5 inches. And here is a nut, okay? And here is, so these, bear with me on this dirty extension here. So this pipe, this P-trap, and this extension, they're both 1.5 inches, okay? You can probably see the numbers here. Well, it's 2D. Anyway, well, let me take it out and show you. So you can see numbers here. It's 1.5 inch, okay? So let me show you the mission impossible, which my plumber or my contractor thought it's impossible to do, which is hook up two pipes of different diameters here. Our magical friend here is this reducer, okay? Reducer washer. All right, so let me hook up the bottom part first. Let me tighten it. So this part is not hard because 1.5 inches plus 1.5 inches with a 1.5 inches washer, nothing fancy about it. Okay, so let me tighten it and align them very well. Okay, and now here comes the magical part. The reducer washer to hook up the sink and the extension. As you can see, there's a huge diameter gap between them. So this diameter gap is 1/4 inch. So in each direction, it's 1/8 inch. Okay, that's basically the thickness of this reducer ring. All right, so let's hook it up. Well, I'm not sure whether it's long enough. Well, let's hope it's long enough to do it. All right, I have only one hand, so I need to put the phone down to hook it up. Be right back. All right, I have hooked things up. You can see there's no leaking and the water is running. Okay, so again, your magical friend is this thing called reducer washer. Okay, a reducer washer. Okay, here it has two. You only need one. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. And if you're particularly interested in who is this stupid contractor that doesn't even know how to hook up two pipes of different diameters together, please just leave a comment below, and I will release its name if they refuse to refund me. Okay. One more thing. Another thing that you could possibly use if you want to hook up the pipes of 1.5 inches and 1.25 inches together is to use this thing. I actually don't know how this is called. I just got it from a local hardware store. But basically it's a rubber piece with two steel fasteners that can match these different diameters. So in worst case, what we can do is we could use this reversely. So the thin part on top, the wider part at the bottom, to hook it up. So it's very funny that my contractor doesn't even know this thing exists or this thing exists. Okay? He just asked me to get a 1.5 inch sink, which doesn't exist for bathrooms. I tried many hardware stores, couldn't find any of those. So here's again my lesson: why fixing things at home is easier than hiring so-called professionals. They actually probably don't know more than you. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.